Greetings and introductions 60 vocabulary words. Vocabulary. Example sentence. 1. Hello, hello. Nice to see you. 2. Hi, hi. How are you? 3. Good morning, good morning. 4. Good afternoon, good afternoon. 5. Good evening, good evening. 6. Welcome, welcome to our class. 7. Goodbye, goodbye. See you soon. 8. Bye, bye. Have a nice day. 9. See you tomorrow. 10. Take care, take care. 11. Nice, nice to meet you. 12. Meet, nice to meet you. 13. Introduce, let me introduce myself. 14. Name, my name is Emma. 15. First name, my first name is John. 16. Last name, my last name is Smith. 17. Call, you can call me Sam. 18. Friend, she is my friend. 19. Classmate, he is my classmate. 20. Neighbor, she is my neighbor. 21. Student, I am a student. 22. Teacher, she is my teacher. 23. Person, he is a kind person. 24. Man, he is a young man. 25. Woman, she is a friendly woman. 26. Boy, the boy is smiling. 27. Girl, the girl says hello. 28. Mr. Brown is here. 29. Mrs. Smith is kind. 30. Miss Lee is my teacher. 31. Sir, thank you, sir. 32. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. 33. Please come in. 34. Thank you very much. 35. You're welcome, you're welcome. 36. Sorry, I'm late. 37. Excuse me, please. 38. Yes, I understand. 39. Number, no, thank you. 40. Maybe tomorrow. 41. How are you? 42. What is your name? 43. Where are you from? 44. Who is she? 45. When is the class? 46. Why are you here? 47. Because I want to learn. 48. From, I am from Ethiopia. 49. Live, I live in Addis Ababa. 50. Country, my country is Ethiopia. 51. City, my city is Addis Ababa. 52. Speak, I speak English. 53. Learn, I want to learn English. 54. Understand, I understand you. 55. Repeat, please repeat that. 56. Practice, practice every day. 57. English is fun. 58. Lesson, today's lesson is easy. 59. Together, let's learn together. 60. Smile, smile and say hello. Best shadowing pattern double practice. For every vocabulary word, use this format. Teacher, hello. Students, hello. Teacher, hello. Nice to see you. Students, hello. Nice to see you. Teacher, good morning. Students, good morning. Teacher, good morning. How are you? Students, good morning. How are you? Repeat this pattern for all 60 vocabulary words. This word gives, repeat, gives, sentence, gives, repeat. Method is excellent for shadowing practice and keeps beginner learners engaged.